Imagine stepping into a small, brutalist pod here on Earth. You press a button, close your eyes, and a moment later, you open them to see the red dust of Mars. We tend to think of this as the ultimate form of travel, that the machine somehow flings your atoms, intact and continuous, through millions of miles of empty space. But a teleporter doesn't move matter, it reads it. The scanner maps your biological organism down to the atomic level, translating your cells into pure data. That binary blueprint is beamed across the solar system at light speed. Your physical body never leaves the room. To complete the illusion of travel, the machine has to clean up the remainder. It permanently vaporizes the original body left behind in the pod. What we call teleportation is actually a synchronized process of biological execution and digital replication. Look at this rocky Martian landscape. Waiting among these scientific instruments is a receiver, ready to download your incoming blueprint. Using local stores of carbon, hydrogen, and water, the receiver acts like a highly advanced 3D printer. It builds an exact atomic replica of you from the ground up. The Greeks asked, if you replace every single plank of the Ship of Theseus, is it the same ship? With humans, the stakes are higher. The machine perfectly copies physical structure, but we don't know if it transfers the original identity or the soul. Having a physically identical body on Mars doesn't automatically mean the original person survived the trip. To test this, the philosopher Derek Parfit proposed a thought experiment, a mechanical glitch. The Earth machine successfully scans you, but the vaporizer breaks down. You step out of the Earth pod completely unharmed. You never left the room, and your life continues exactly as before. Meanwhile, the signal still reached the white communication dish in this Martian landscape, and the machine there successfully printed the copy. Two identical beings now exist at the exact same time. Both have your exact memories, and both claim to be you, but they cannot share a single consciousness. Pinch the Earth version, and the Mars version feels nothing. They are now distinct individuals living separate lives. Because the Earth person is undeniably the original, the Mars person can only be a newly born clone, which leads to a horrifying logical deduction. If a normally functioning teleporter prevents this paradox, it does so by successfully murdering the Earth original. Think about the perspective of that clone waking up on Mars. They step out of the pod, look at their hands, and feel the thrill of a successful journey. They possess every one of your memories. They remember the anxiety of walking into the pod on Earth, taking a deep breath, and pressing the green button. Philosophers call this qualitative identity, being exactly alike, but they lack numerical identity. Having the same memories as someone does not make you the same entity. The original subject's stream of consciousness was permanently severed the moment the Earth scanner completed its destructive pass. While the clone looks up at this view of Earth, celebrating their arrival, the original person who wanted to make the trip experiences nothing but a permanent, silent void. Society would likely accept the clone as the original. The teleporter operates as a machine that kills you and replaces you with someone nobody realizes is a stranger. The subjective consciousness that steps into that box is extinguished forever. The version of you that arrives is someone else entirely.